Video 230, the final refactor. Let's go. Inside of Pix 2048, this is all that remains of the dirty flagging code, because now it lives inside of Gpusync and has this name, and the inverse function that cleans the memory is this name. So inside of Pix 2048, it's been gutted of all the flagging code, and this is the only kind of specialized weird-ass function that is in here now. Let's go to where we've moved it. So you see how it says MOV, and then in some places it says MAR. Well, let's look at the MARs, because MAR is moved and refactored. So we've renamed this here, and then we have another MAR right here. So we moved this code and we renamed it to dirty DPC from Pix 2048 dir DPC. Everything else, this has just been moved, right? So all this code in 230 here has been moved, and it was originally written in video 225 if you want to know, what this code does, because we're not explaining it here. We're just doing a refactor. Over here, we have some monkey wrench macros, but oh, hey, it's just been moved, so we don't need to look at this. And then down here, this is where we're going to write the next function, the inverse of the Gpusync dirty DPC function. This one's going to go through all the dirty sectors, push them up to the GPU, and then flag them as clean so that the whole texture is then clean. This is where we're calling the dirty DPC function. The original name is right here, the Pix 2048 dir DPC. I left it here just for reference to see how the landscape has been changing. We're inside of the tileboy editor put U32 function. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So you've been here. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here, and I'm out here. Like and subscribe.